Welcome everyone to another episode of 77 Questions with Chesa Dental Care. And this week we have Dr. Ajay Kakkar with us. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for inviting me here.
Oh, it's a pleasure sir. So are you ready for 77 questions?
Yes,
Okay, here we go. Where were you born and brought up?
Mumbai.
Where do you live now?
Mumbai.
What was your favorite subject as a child?
That's
Were you a playful child or a shy child?
extremely shy.
Did you ever have any pets?
No,
Any favorite animal?
not really.
Favorite childhood माँ के हाथ का food?
Sindhi curry.
Oh, nice. Most memorable childhood memory.
My first birthday gift.
Do you have any siblings?
No,
Do you play any sport as a child?
love to play badminton.
Okay. Did you always wanted to be a dentist?
Never.
Okay. What was your dream job when you were young?
A research scientist.
Okay. Would you say you choose dentistry or dentistry chose you?
Neither. Just happened by default. No other choice.
Okay. Which college have you done your BDS from?
Nair Hospital Dental College.
Okay. What was your favorite subject in BDS?
Oral surgery.
Most memorable moment from your BDS days?
Winning my badminton match.
Okay. Have you done your MDS?
Yes.
Which college have you done your MDS from?
Nair Hospital Dental College.
Okay. What have you specialized in and how did you decide to choose that subject?
My specialty is periodontology. The
Okay.
decision was very simple. That was the only subject I got.
Okay. Okay. Were you more studious in BDS or MDS?
MDS.
Favorite teacher in college?
Dr. Dilip Deshpande.
Okay. Any friend from college that you are still in touch with?
Number of them.
Okay. So when did you get married?
1985.
Is your spouse also a dentist?
Yes.
How and when did you both meet?
At college, she's 4 years junior to me. Was in my department as a student while I was a registrar.
Okay. Do you both work together?
Yes.
How is that experience?
Excellent.
Okay. What is your favorite memory of your spouse?
She is singing on stage wearing a pink dress, and that's the first time I saw her.
Okay. That is really sweet. Favorite thing about her?
Oh, singing.
Okay. Least favorite thing?
She's a perfectionist.
Okay. Do you know your spouse's favorite color?
Yeah, I do know pink.
Oh, that's nice. Who enjoys talking more?
Me.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No.
Okay. Would you call yourself religious?
No.
Okay. So then your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is a little bit of a tough question, but the Diwali vacations.
Okay. Okay. 3 values or rules you swear by.
Honesty, integrity, and quality.
That's very nice. Are you more strict or easygoing as an individual?
Easy going.
That I can see. Any dinner table rules you are strict about? Okay. Your favorite cuisine?
Potatoes.
Do you cook?
Occasionally.
Okay. Do you consider yourself a foodie?
Absolutely.
One dish made at home that you can eat every day.
Potatoes.
Work-life balance. Your thoughts?
Tough one to give in a short way, but enjoy life.
Okay. Favorite vacation spot?
Thailand.
Okay. So now let's move on to some of the professional questions. Do you have your own clinic?
Yes.
What is the name of your clinic?
Love research.
Okay. How did you come up with the name?
Driving in a car and discussing what should a dental clinic be called. It's a French word which means the face.
Okay. Do you also consult anywhere?
Hiranandani Hospital.
Okay. Teaching versus practicing. What do you love more?
Teaching.
Okay. Favorite treatment to practice?
Mobile teeth.
Okay. RCT versus conventional, prosthodontics versus implants. Which excites you the most?
The RCT. and the implants.
Okay. Tell us something about your first publication.
It was very exciting. I did a short survey many years back. There was no internet on mill work on prevalence of periodontal disease in mill workers.
Okay. And your first study?
It combines with that because my first publication was the first study, unless you count my post-graduation study.
Okay. Okay. What is a topic you can say you are very passionate about?
Saving teeth, saving mobile teeth.
Okay. Which topic do you love presenting on?
Oh, difficult one, but most of perio-related topics.
Okay. What drove you to write your first book?
Because everyone kept on asking me, how do we do it? How do we do it? So I thought I might as well make it into a book.
That's really nice. Give us a brief insight about your book.
Well, the book was about splinting. Splinting is the correction or rectification of mobile teeth. Whenever I would have to pull a tooth out, I thought I lost the battle. So that's why I worked so much on splinting. And that's when I made the book.
Okay. And your second book?
Second book was more of a bite-in effort rather than anything else. At Bite-in, everyone wanted a lot of collection of thoughts, so I put in a lot of thoughts and made that into a Bite-in yearbook.
Okay. And when did you come up with Bite-in?
I came up with Bite-in 22 years back, way ahead of its own time.
Okay. What inspired you to start it?
My absolute crazy passion for computers and the internet.
Okay. Do you have any partners in Bite-in?
My wife,
Okay. What is your favorite part about running it?
managed to get information across to the entire dental community in the entire world.
Okay. What is the key to success in managing your teaching, practicing, researching, and even running your own company?
An absolute passion about it.
Okay. Do you have time to pursue any hobbies currently?
My creating software is my hobby, so I managed to do that with Bite-in.
Okay. Do you like watching any sports or TV news?
Cricket.
Oh, cricket. You like cricket.
Oh,
Okay.
absolutely love it.
Okay. What is your favorite pastime?
Oh, favorite pastime is researching, finding out new electronic stuff on laptops and the internet.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
first one is reading. I'm a crazy reader.
Oh, that's very nice. Any book that has impacted your life in a major way then?
Absolutely, Fountainhead, Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand.
Okay. Any advice for viewers on the importance of oral health and importance of dentistry?
I presume the viewers will be all dentists. So if you're going to be passionate about your job, that's the way you achieve good results. And the importance of oral health is that's a portal to the entire body. You have a healthy mouth, you got a healthy body.
Yeah, true. Right. When do you feel dentistry will bounce back to its full capacity?
Hopefully in the next 3 to 4 months.
Okay. In these COVID times, have you been practicing?
Not really, very recently started doing just emergency work.
Okay, but during those emergency cases, what are the preventive measures that you take?
I have everything possible. We start with the patients having 2 mouthwashes, which we always used to do, intraoral suctions, extraoral suctions, the negative ion generator, goggles. But most of these things we would always do before also. It's only the ZAP air purifier and the negative ion generator which are new additions.
Okay. Any advice for young dentists who want to set up a practice in current times?
That's a tough one. Very difficult. Very difficult for me to answer, and especially in a short time. I think I'll pass the question.
Okay. What are your views on Chase Academy?
You're doing a great job.
Okay, thank you so much for that. What do you believe is your greatest achievement?
Whew. My greatest achievement is the name and the reputation I built up around the world in my own subject, and also in the parallel subject of amalgamating computer science with dentistry.
Okay. A short message to all our viewers.
Short message is live life fully, do things with a passion. If you don't enjoy it, don't do it. Do it only if you enjoy it.
Okay, I think that is it. That was 77 questions with Chesa Dental Care. Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
I would just like to add one small thing I missed telling before, that I've also written a book on computer sciences. It was approved by the Bombay University.
Okay, noted. Thank you so much, sir. You have done some exceptional work. Plus, you are a very fun-loving person, and it was really, really, really nice talking to you.
Thank you.